Good evening, everyone. Welcome to our front office management session. This is actually our front office management session, an extended version, because we've already finished our syllabus and we are just waiting for the certificates to come. Our young professionals are going to receive their certificates. So meantime, we thought, why to waste time? We wanted to learn skills. So we are learning some new skills. So this today's session will be on baking. So I'll be going through two baking session. One is pineapple upside down, and another one is date walnut cake. Date walnut cake particularly is extremely healthy, and it's very good for. It's good in taste, and of course good for health also. So without much ado, let me move on to the session. So kindly permit me to share.
One second, I want to tell you something, ma'am.
Yeah, Bala, tell Bala.
You walnut cake you are making for diabetics. What can I do for sugar? Without sugar, you can make.
What Bala? Your voice is breaking.
For diabetics, what can I do for walnut cake?
See, when I come to walnut cake, we'll discuss about that. Okay, first I'm going to do the pineapple upside down, then we'll come to walnut. So what I really suggest is, let's see the videos first. Mark your questions. Please write down your questions. You can either put it in the chat box or we can discuss it after that. So after pineapple video, I will ask for the doubts. We can discuss at that time. Okay, Bala?
Okay.
Thank you, dear. So kindly permit me to share my screen. Now, Pratima ji, I need a small help from you. Can I make you the co-host?
Yes, definitely.
Thank you.
No problem.
So let me share the presentation. So all this presentation, this recording, the procedure, everything will be shared with you all. So you can watch, and whatever questions you have, please make a note of it and we can discuss it after the first cake. So pineapple upside down and date walnut cake. Pineapple upside down, it comes out so yummy it is. And date walnut cake, it's so healthy, very healthy it is. So there are some basic rules in when we bake a cake. So kindly make note of these basic rules. First, go with the recipe. Suppose if the recipe says 125 grams or if it says 150 grams, go according to the recipe only. It has to be precise. The measurement has to be very, very precise. This is one thing which we have to note when we are baking a cake. Why the cake comes hard, why the cake doesn't, the texture goes bad. It is because we don't follow the measurements. So measurement 125 grams, yes, it is 125 only. 1 or 2 grams up and down, okay. Okay, 125 means 126, 127, you can go. उसके ज़्यादा और उसके नीचे तो नहीं जाना, ठीक है. So आप एकदम वो मेजरमेंट फिक्स करना है रेसिपी के बारे में. एंड सेकंड, टेम्परेचर भी सेम. अगर 180 डिग्री 180 डिग्री, 160 डिग्री 160 डिग्री, वो भी परफेक्ट फिक्स करना है. एंड थर्ड थिंग, मैं बता दूंगी उसको. आप ड्राई इंग्रेडिएंट्स अलग से मिक्स करना है, वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स अलग से मिक्स करना है. I will be when you are seeing the video, you will understand that I will be mixing the wet ingredients separately and the dry ingredients separately. It is always separate. So these are the certain things which you will have to really note down. आप ये follow करेगा तो एकदम same आएगा आपको. It is not that first time I'm doing it doesn't come out well. No, it will come out exactly the same. No difference you will get. So here we go with the pineapple upside down. When I'm teaching pineapple upside down, I will also share one of the variation also. So here we have the ingredients. We need a condensed milk. Condensed milk, वो milk maid है ना, एक tin. Okay, that वो small, वो छोटा वाला tin, वो बड़ा वाला tin नहीं. आज अभी आजकल मैं देखती हूँ इतना बड़ा tin, इतना बड़ा पैकेट आता है, वो नहीं, वो छोटा वाला standard tin. वो 1 tin you will have to take it. Then you have maida 250 grams. मैदा कोई जगह पे मैदा मिलता है, किसी जगह पे ऑल पर्पस फ्लोर भी मिलता है. यू कैन टेक इधर ऑल पर्पस फ्लोर और मैदा. कितना 250 ग्राम्स एकदम, और 2 कप्स, वो मेजरिंग कप्स आता है इसमें 2 कप्स. देन यू हैव बेकिंग पाउडर 1 टीस्पून. 1 टीस्पून क्या है, 1 टेबल स्पून क्या है, जो आप घर में यूज करते हैं वो स्पून नहीं, आप वो मेजरमेंट स्पून लेना है, मेजरमेंट कप लेना है. सो इफ यू टेक मेजरमेंट कप, 1 cup will be 125 grams. So 2 cups means 250 grams. So 1 teaspoon is different, 1 tablespoon is different. So don't use the normal spoons which you have in your house. Measurement spoon, go with the measurement spoon which I'll be showing it in the video. Soda by cup, half teaspoon. Liquid soda. Liquid soda, you get it in a small tin, you will get in any stores, like you get in Spencer's, in India I'm telling, in supermarkets you get that liquid soda, small tin. That will be, वो तो एकदम Fanta बिना taste, okay, Fanta लेकिन no taste. वो type soda, of course here in Gulf area you will get it in big shops, that liquid soda. So that 3/4 cup you will have to take. When I say 3/4 cup, वो measurement वाला cup आपका कटोरी कप नहीं है. Then pineapple tin 6 to 8 pieces. What I am using, जो मैं यूज किया वो तो टिन में आता है. पाइनएप्पल स्लाइसेस राउंड गोल वाला आता है, राउंड you will get. So that I have used. अगर आप fresh pineapple यूज करना है तो of course you can go ahead using fresh pineapple. Please make a note. You have to use fresh pineapple. 6 pieces means 1 teaspoon. You will have to use half teaspoon pineapple essence you have to add. अगर हम लोग pineapple tin यूज करेगा तो उसमें ही फ्लेवर भी आएगा. So we don't use pineapple essence separately. But if you are using fresh pineapple, आप fresh pineapple यूज करेगा तो आप pineapple essence भी उसके साथ यूज करना. You have to use pineapple essence also, which is half teaspoon. Please kindly make a note of it. But when I am sending this, I will edit that and I'll give you. Cherries, वो पैकेट में मिलता है ना, वो cherries decoration के लिए. और butter unsalted 200 grams. Okay, butter unsalted 200 grams. Butter which you get in the market, जो आप घर में बनाते हैं ना वो वाला बटर नहीं. क्योंकि कभी कभी क्या होता है घर में जो बनाते हैं ना, sometimes you know वो filter तो I mean you might not have filtered properly. वो तो process है ना, वो पूरा नहीं हो चुका था, फिर वो आपका केक में खराब हो जाएगा. केक बनेगा तो आप दुकान से बटर लेके आइए. 200 grams unsalted butter. ब्राउन शुगर 5 tablespoon. ब्राउन शुगर है तो 2-3 वैरायटी में आपको मिलता है. एकदम फाइन वैरायटी मिलता है, उधर ग्रैन्यूल्स मिलता है, कोई भी चलेगा, डजंट मैटर. ये तो एक्स्ट्रा टेस्ट के लिए बस. फिर पाइनएप्पल टिन वाटर. अगर आप फ्रेश पाइनएप्पल यूज करते हैं तो आप सादा पानी डाल सकते हैं, क्योंकि आप तो एसेंस तो ऐसे ही तो डालेगा. सो यू कैन गो फॉर नॉर्मल वाटर. ठीक है. और एक चीज मैं बता दूंगी, बेकिंग करने का टाइम मेजरमेंट कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है. सेम थिंग रूम टेम्परेचर भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. हम लोग क्या करते हैं, we get butter and we keep the butter in the freezer. You can't use it directly from the fridge. You take milk. अब milk क्या करता है, सोडा, you keep it in the fridge. So you can't use it. Everything has to be in room temperature. आप जो जो चीज आप यूज करते हैं सब रूम टेम्परेचर. अगर आप फ्रीजर के अंदर नहीं तो फ्रिज के अंदर रखा तो बाहर रखिए 3 घंटा. So keep it outside for 3 hours. Everything will come to room temperature. So this is one very important. Even sometimes हम लोग क्या करते हैं, I keep maida also I keep it inside fridge because I don't use. So I keep it in the freezer. एकदम chill है. So but what I do, I keep it outside. I keep it outside for 3 hours. Bring it to room temperature. Then we use. This is one very important. क्या होएगा, आप सीधा फ्रिज से आप यूज करेगा तो क्या होएगा, the cake will become very hard for you. So if you follow the measurements, if you follow the ingredients, if you follow these procedures, your cake will be perfect. So these are some of the important things which you will have to take care. And procedure. Okay. Imadya, can you go on mute? I'll take your questions later. Okay. Okay. Now, first, what you will do is, first we make a sauce. Of course, everything will be in the video. मैं तो सब वीडियो में भी दिखाएगी, लेकिन just one round I'll give an oral explanation. First, we are going to make sauce, brown sugar sauce. So for that, you will melt butter and then brown sugar you will add and you will roast it for some time. वो तो sauce जैसा हो जाएगा. That you will put it in the baking pan. पहला baking pan को, baking tray है ना, वो baking tray को grease करना है. You have to grease that. Grease, you should not use butter. You must use only ghee. For greasing, again, this is a rule in baking. Please don't change the rule. So for greasing, वो grease करने के लिए आप तो compulsory ghee use करना है. Just one small spoon ghee. Just grease it nicely. Okay. Don't use butter. Okay, and then in some people sprinkle maida, that is there in the recipe, but I don't do it. Frankly, I don't do it. Why? Because कभी-कभी क्या होता है, वो burn होता है. That color doesn't come out well. So I don't personally, I don't sprinkle maida. अगर आपको sprinkle करना तो आप कर सकते हैं, उसमें तो problem नहीं. Okay, so now I have made that sauce. That sauce I'll put it in the baking tray. Okay, spread करके मैं डालती हूँ, ठीक है? I'll spread it. उसके बाद वो pineapples है ना, वो pineapples को I will decorate. मैं तो decorate. So that down layer you keep all the pineapples. आप pineapples को arrange कर दीजिए. बीच-बीच में cherries भी arrange कर दीजिए, तो इतना बहुत beautiful दिखेगा. It will look so beautiful. So arrange pineapples, cherries according to how you want. Okay, now see pineapple cake when it happens is you have to जब आप preparation खत्म करेगा तुरंत baking में डालना है, baking tray में डालना है. You have to put it for baking. Okay, so it is not that you make the batter, वो batter बनने के बाद उसके बाद 10 minutes preheating, that will not happen because we are using liquid soda. Cake will start becoming hard. So the moment preparation हो गया तो तुरंत baking tray में अंदर डालना है. उसके लिए क्या करना है, preheating पहले करना है. So you must know अभी 10 minutes है अंदर रखने के लिए, ठीक है? I will go do the preheating. वो preheating आप बीच में करना पड़ेगा, आपका speed के ऊपर depend होएगा. Okay, so preheat 10 minutes 180 degrees. Preheat 15 minutes also fine, no problem. 10-15 minutes में कुछ नहीं होएगा. But minimum 10 minutes. Then, now the procedure starts. Dry ingredients separately, liquid ingredients separately. What are the dry ingredients here? We have maida, flour, okay, baking powder and baking soda. Okay, not that liquid soda, baking soda. So, ये तीनों dry powder ingredient है. Okay, that we measure, we take it, we'll sieve it, keep it separately. Okay, now we take the liquid ingredients. Liquid ingredients क्या क्या है? Condensed milk, butter is liquid, okay, and then we beat it nicely. nicely means bubbles should come. You use the beater, electric beater, that is better. Okay, bubbles should start coming. Because क्या होता है एग आप एग यूज करेगा तो वो तो आपको ऑलरेडी फर्मेंट तो हो जाएगा, इतना बीटिंग जरूरत नहीं. लेकिन कंडेंस्ड मिल्क आप बटर यूज करेगा तो ज्यादा बीटिंग चाहिए. यू हैव टू रियली बीट. अगर व्हेन यू गेट दोस बबल्स, वो बबल्स आएगा ना तब केक एकदम सॉफ्ट रहता है, एकदम स्पंज जैसा. ओके, देन मिक्स बोथ. हाउ यू विल मिक्स? Liquid will be in the bowl only. The powders will enter the liquid. That is again a procedure in baking. It is not powder एक bowl में, liquid इधर से powder, no. Liquid will not come to the powder. Powder has to come inside the liquid. That is again the baking procedure. So what you have to do? Add 1/2 of the flour, that mixed dough you have made. So you add it to the liquid. Beat it nicely. Okay, of course, add pineapple water or normal water. Okay, and then now procedure starts. Then remaining flour is there, no, the dry powder is there. So add little, add soda water. Add powder, add soda water. Add powder, add soda water. Keep beating little. One very important note here is you are using liquid soda. आप तो liquid soda यूज कर रहे हैं. जब आप liquid soda यूज कर रहे हो तो ज्यादा बीटिंग मत कीजिए. आप ज्यादा बीटिंग करेगा तो that will go away. वो तो evaporate हो जाएगा. That will vanish. So when you are using liquid soda, you just beat little. Okay, just one round. Quick beat, finish. Quick beat, finish. That's all. You will be seeing it in the video. And then put that whole batter. वो आटा जैसा है ना, डोसा आटा जैसा रहेगा ना, वो तो बेकिंग ट्रे के ऊपर, वो पाइनएप्पल आपने डेकोरेट किया ना उसके ऊपर डाल दीजिए, तुरंत ओवन में रखने का. 35 to 40 minutes तक हो जाएगा. Okay, now I want to tell you two important things here. One very important is बैटर कैसे रहना है. बैटर इडली बैटर नहीं, वो इडली बैटर जैसा नहीं रहना है, डोसा बैटर जैसा. ओके, इट शुड बी लाइक अ डोसा बैटर. ठीक है, वो तो एकदम पानी जैसा भी नहीं. ड्रॉपिंग कंसिस्टेंसी हम बोलते हैं, ड्रॉपिंग कंसिस्टेंसी, ड्रिपिंग कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं है. ठीक है, सो ड्रॉपिंग डोसा बैटर जैसा रहना, दैट इज द एक्चुअल कंसिस्टेंसी. दिस इज वन इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. एंड अनदर इम्पॉर्टेंट, मैंने अभी रेसिपी में है 35 to 40 minutes. ठीक है, 180 degrees टेम्परेचर. फाइन. आप 10 मिनट के बाद ओपन करके क्लोज करना, नो, दैट इज रॉन्ग. सो व्हेन द रेसिपी सेज, आपको रेसिपी तो 35 to 40 minutes बोलते हैं, तो आप 35 minutes और मैक्सिमम 30 minutes के बाद जाके थोड़ा चेक कर सकते हैं. 30 minutes पहले बिल्कुल नहीं. डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज द होल केक विल सिंक. द केक विल इमीडिएटली सिंक. वो तो बीच में तो एकदम सीधा होल आ जाएगा आपको. सो आप 30 minutes के बाद आप चेक कर दीजिए. ओके, एंड ऑफ कोर्स 40. हाउ टू चेक, आई विल बी टेलिंग इट इन द वीडियो. Now, before I start the video, I think I've got some questions. Let me just check. Any questions? No. Fine. It's all good evening. Nice seeing your good evenings, your wishes. Thank you. So let me go to the video. After video, please note down your questions. We will take up all the questions. Okay, here we go, the video. So keep everything on the table at room temperature. Okay, okay, this is milk maid or condensed milk you say, right? So condensed milk, this is the size 110. Okay, don't go for the bigger one. Or you can either take all purpose flour or maida. Anything is fine. Okay, then you have your baking powder and your soda bicarb. Fine. And this is your liquid soda. You get it in any supermarket. This I've used as a pineapple slices. Okay, you get it in places like Spencer's. You should be getting all that big shops. These are cherries. You can also use fresh pineapples. No worries. This is my brown sugar. Actually, my brown sugar is little granules. It is not
White
fine
sugar
one.
can now.
No white sugar, brown sugar only.
Ma'am, white sugar, no.
No white sugar. Imad,
Okay.
if you don't mind, you just mark your questions. After the video, I'll get back to you. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kanna.
Thank you, ma'am.
So this is the brown sugar. Mark your question, Imad, because if you don't have brown sugar, what to do, I'll tell you. This is unsalted butter. So now I need to measure. So I hope you all can see, I have kept the pan on the measuring scale. So exactly I'm taking 50 grams.
Ma'am, if this is okay, I can write in this paper.
Yes, Kanna, you write it. After that, when you can unmute and you can ask your questions. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, what
So,
I should write?
Instead of brown sugar, what to use? Write that question. I'll get back with that answer. So, and I'm adding the brown sugar, 6 tablespoons. You can add even 7. You can add even 5. Here you don't have any rule. Only thing is the sugar 50 grams you have to take. So you can see I use those measuring cups only. And I'm using ghee for greasing. So nicely grease it, because pineapple upside down cake is something, the moment you make the cake, you will have to remove it from the baking pan. It has to come out. So your greasing has to be proper. Don't give any gap. Otherwise, it will stick to the glass. The cake will not come out. So I have greased my tray. Now I have come to melt the butter. So to make the sauce, brown sugar sauce. Imad, I'm answering your question here. If you don't have brown sugar, what to do? No need. You can skip this procedure. This is not compulsory. Okay. This actually gives an extra taste to the cake. But this is not compulsory. This procedure alone you can skip. I hope this answered your question, Imad. In case you don't have brown sugar, you can omit this particular step. Directly you can go into decorating the pineapples. So now you can see the sugar and the butter starts melting. Don't keep it too much because it will become very hard. The moment it is melted, now you can see it is all melted. That's it.
Yes,
you will have to stop it.
I can just mix it.
Yeah, that's all. Once the sugar and the butters, you can see the slight bubbles started coming. This is where you will have to stop. Don't take it too much because it will start hardening. That's it. Now take it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now take it and put it inside the baking tray. Just spread it, okay? Just try to spread it maximum, that's all. This is only to give you that extra taste and it will look so nice, you know, golden color. When after baking, if you take out the cake, it will look so beautiful. So in case you don't have brown sugar, you can skip this step, no problem. Extra ghee is there, no problem, let it be there, no worries. So now I'm taking the pineapple slices from the tin. So in case you are using fresh pineapple, get it cut like this round, and you can use. So when you are taking the pineapple from the tin, remember, squeeze it gently. Squeeze it gently and place it. How many you have to put? It depends on you. Okay, it depends on your taste.
No sound.
Okay, it depends on your decision, your decoration, your creativity. However you want, you can decorate. I'm going only for a very simple decoration. So I'm using 6 round pieces, that's all.
Ma'am, with that we can use cherries also, no, ma'am? With
Wait,
that,
it
cherry.
will come, Kanna, it will come.
Okay.
Now cherries are coming, Imad. So cherries, how you want to keep? Again, it is your decoration, your creativity. So I'm just keeping it inside those round holes, that's all. And little bit I kept it in the middle also. You don't want to keep, don't keep. That is, the creativity is yours again. Cherries doesn't give any taste, nothing. It is only for decoration, that's all. You don't have cherries, again you can skip this step. So this you can see. This is the decoration. This is how your cake will be. Because this we are going to turn upside down. Okay. Now I have come to preheat the oven. So I have done my decorations. I have done my pineapple decoration. My tray is ready over there. Before I start, because I do it very fast. I've been doing this pineapple upside down very frequently. So I have come to preheat the oven. So my preheating is going on now for 10 minutes. So you can see these are the measuring cups. ये सब measuring cups है. ठीक है, अभी डेकोरेशन के बाद मैंने प्री हीट कर दिया 10 मिनट के लिए 180 डिग्री टेम्परेचर के लिए मैं तो प्री हीटिंग के लिए रख दिया ओवन को. अभी मैं पूरा मेजर में अभी मैं वो बैटर बनने के लिए इधर आया. मैं ये कप जो मैं यूज कर रही हूँ मेजरिंग कप 1 cup is 125 grams. So मैं तो 2 कप लेना है. I have to take 2 cups. So how do you measure the cup? Don't tap the cup. वो कप को टैप नहीं करना है. आप आटा डाल के yes you have to sweep it with a knife. वो knife के साथ उसको एकदम क्लीन करना है बस. Please, this measurement is very important. वैसे ही आप मेजरमेंट तो करना है. और एक भी है, ये कप आटा के अंदर और मैदा के अंदर मत लेना. You have to take आटा from spoon and put it inside. वो होल पूरा नहीं रहा. So I put 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda. Okay, 2 cups maida, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon baking soda or soda bicarb, whatever it is. So I've done my sieving. This is my dry ingredient. इसको तो dry ingredient बोलता है. मैं तो ये बना के मैं अलग रखूंगी अभी. ओके, वो अलग रख दिया. अभी मैं वेट इंग्रेडिएंट कर रही हूँ. सो व्हाट आर माय वेट इंग्रेडिएंट्स? बटर, मिल्क मेड. सो बटर हाउ मच? 150 grams. So butter is 150 grams. So 150 when I say it can be between 148 to 152 like that. 2-3 ग्राम आगे पीछे चलेगा, लेकिन ज्यादा डिफरेंस नहीं। ओके, सो 150 ग्राम्स बटर में डाल दिया। अभी 8 टिन मिल्क मेड सीधा पूरा डालना है, 1 टिन फुल। ध्यान रखिए मिल्क मेड टिन है ना, वो साइड में बहुत शार्प रहेगा, इट विल कट योर हैंड, सो बी केयरफुल। सो 1 full tin. So now I'm going to start beating. So first you mix it without the beater on. Okay. First just mix it. उसके बाद आप beater को on कर दीजिए बस. एकदम high speed में. You have to beat it in high speed. Nicely you have to beat. You can. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Bubbles will start coming. Bubbles आएगा आपको. A lot of bubbles will come. Bubbles, see when you see the butter color has changed. Oh, from yellow it has come to palish yellow. I hope you can see the bubbles because that is very important. Bubble. It should become frothy. Fluffy, fluffy it has to become. See, can you see? I hope you can see now the bubbles have started coming. So this is a very important step here. So now I'm going to put the dry ingredient inside the wet ingredient. So what did I do? First 1/2 I have put approximately. Okay, here you don't have any measurement. First approximately mix it and beat it. Beating should be just 1 second, 2 seconds, that's all. Now I am putting this pineapple water 1/4 cup. You can, if you are using, आप लोग fresh pineapple use कर रहे तो आप pineapple essence 1/2 teaspoon डाल दीजिए. Okay, if you are using fresh pineapple, use pineapple essence 1/2 teaspoon. Okay, now I have atta. Put one more part of atta. I mean this maida. Then 1/4 cup of soda. So it should be maida, 1/4 soda, again maida, 1/4 soda, again maida, 1/4 soda. So soda, liquid soda, we are taking 3/4 cup. So this is my 1/4 cup. ये मेरा quarter cup है. Okay, 1/4 cup है. So इसमें तो मैं 3 बार मैं डाल दूंगी. आप liquid soda use कर रहे तो ज्यादा beating मत करना है. आप ज्यादा beating करेगा तो वो पूरा soda it will evaporate, it will go away. So it will go waste. That's all. You can see I'm just mixing, that's all. Now again add little flour. Add little flour. Again 1/4 cup soda. Again mix it well. Now the last time. Add all the remaining flour. So all the remaining flour added. And now again the last 1/4 cup soda. Just keep the recipe near you and follow the recipe. It will come out exactly. Here, if you want to go for beating, just go very slight, one round beat, finish. That's all. Since we are adding liquid soda, you should not beat. बस हमारा ये तो हो गया. आप तो कंसिस्टेंसी अभी देखिए. कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे रहना है? डोसा आटा के तरफ कंसिस्टेंसी. ये आप देखिए इडली आटा जैसा है, इडली बैटर जैसा है. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ऐड पाइनएप्पल वाटर. अगर पाइनएप्पल टिन वाटर आपके पास नहीं है तो सादा पानी भी डाल सकते. गर्म पानी नहीं, गर्म पानी भी नहीं, ठंडा पानी भी नहीं. सो डोसा बैटर तरफ रहना है. एक मिस करेगा तो पूरा तो वेस्ट हो जाएगा. सो अब ध्यान से थोड़ा करना है. अभी देखिए तो डोसा बैटर जैसा है. This is the consistency which you should have. So my tray is ready. So pour it. Pour it. उसके बाद थोड़ा gentle tap कर दीजिए तो level हो जाएगा. Then you will have to bake it in the oven. Preheat तो हो रहा है उधर. Okay. So go keep it there. That's all. Use spatula because it comes out very well. Waste नहीं होएगा आपको ज़्यादा. So just give a gentle tap, but that's all. Now you can see this is the glass bottom. It will look so beautiful. So now keep it in the oven 35 to 40 minutes. Yes, it will take 35 to 40 minutes. अगर आपके पास conventional oven microwave oven में नहीं होएगा, अगर आपका माइक्रोवेव कन्वेंशनल है तो ठीक हो जाएगा आपको. So conventional microwave में it will happen, or a general oven. What I am using is gas oven. So 35 minutes I have kept. So I can check only after 30 minutes, not before that. Okay. So now my cake is ready. So now you can see my cake is ready. Exactly, it happens in that particular time. So just try to poke a little bit from using such sharp edges. It has to come out clean. So my stick came out very clean. Means हो गया. So आपका stick तो clean आ गया तो लगता है हो गया. So ये होने के बाद तो ओवन से I brought it to my table. आप wait for 3 to 4 minutes, not more. Okay, गरम रहेगा. It will be too hot, extremely hot. ध्यान रखिए, बच्चे के साथ देना तो बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. एकदम hot है. Immediately you have to make it upside down in another tray. This has to be transferred immediately. You can see fumes coming out. It's so hot. एकदम गरम है वो. खाली 2-3 मिनट वेट कीजिए, उसके बाद आप उल्टा करना है उसको. This cake has to be taken out immediately. क्या होएगा, आप नहीं उठाया तो पूरा चिपकेगा नीचे. So everything will get stuck down. That is one. See, the whole decoration is down only. So you have to remove it. Okay, only then it will look good. One more variation here I will tell you is, आप पाइनएप्पल राउंड के अलावा आप पाइनएप्पल छोटा पीसेस कट करके वो भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो व्हाट यू कैन डू इज, इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस पाइनएप्पल डेकोरेशन राउंड आप पाइनएप्पल को एकदम छोटा काट करके, और यू गेट पीसेस आल्सो, वो बैटर के अंदर डाल के आप वो केक भी बना सकते, और वो बैटर आप कप में डाल के कप केक भी बना सकते, पाइनएप्पल पीसेस कप केक. So you can do this variation also, and it comes out exactly the same. So, okay, before I go to date walnut cake, can I take up some questions? How many minutes you have to keep, Chiti? You have to keep it for 35 to 40 minutes. It is there in the recipe, Kana. Follow the same recipe. Homemade milk. Yeah, homemade milk you can use. Don't boil the milk. Use the raw milk only. Hey, wait. Homemade, milkmaid.
Ma'am,
No.
instead of brown sugar, what should I use?
I said no, you needn't use only. Skip that.
Okay.
Instead of, okay. Balambiga, homemade milkmaid will not come properly. That is Palgova type, it will come. Please buy that only from the shop.
You can use vinegar, no?
No, please stick on to the recipe. Don't think anything extra. Go with this recipe only. Don't mix any other cake recipe. See, for one cake, there is one. Vinegar for different.
Okay.
Soda will be more for another. Okay, so one cake will have one recipe. So when
Where should I get it? You have brought it 3 sodas. No? Where
Which
should I
one?
get it?
Which one?
Soda's name and all.
Soda oil, you will get it, Kanna. You will get it in Spencer's. Go to Spencer's. Any soda. You ask them. Okay, I want soda for making cake. You ask them, they'll give you. You know, it will be near that Fanta, Sprite. It will be near that.
Ma'am, Duke soda.
Yeah, Duke soda you can use, Chaitanya. Perfect.
You see, drinking simple plain soda you can use.
Yeah, plain soda, yes.
In bottle. Water bottle type you have in there.
Check if it is plain soda without sugar and all that.
Yeah. I have tasted, but the salty will be there.
Pratima ji, gluten free, no. This cannot be done. Because when it comes as maida only, it's gluten.
Yeah, that's what. So any option instead of maida, we can't use anything else?
Not in this, but I'm not I've not practiced gluten free cakes. So actually I'm not qualified to tell you that.
Okay, no problem.
Sorry, Pratima ji.
No problem.
Because this one area really I wish to explore, this gluten free. Let me see. Now I don't have that knowledge to tell you.
No problem.
Hello.
Can we add cream for decoration? If we can, how the cream? Lakshmi, see, you can, this pineapple itself looks beautiful, okay? But in case you are making cupcakes, you are using small bits of pineapple, yes, you can make cream. That cream, what I suggest is, what I make is buttercream. Okay, butter, icing sugar, butter, beat it nicely. Okay, beat it nicely. It will come. It will come like your mehendi. So you can, with that you can decorate. You get lot of nozzles, lot of decorative nozzles. You get. You can decorate using that. Okay. Normally I use buttercream because it's very tasty. Of course, not too healthy, but I use only buttercream.
Ma'am.
Excuse me,
Chaitanya,
Gayatri
I know
ma'am.
you have class, Kanna. You can go. I'll send the recordings. I'll share the recordings. Don't worry.
Yes, ma'am. We'll see that. The next one we'll see that.
Sure,
Thank you,
sure.
ma'am.
I'll share. Yeah, you
This
can.
was really nice. Very, very nice. This was.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Hello.
Chaitanya.
Yeah. Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Hello,
Bye.
Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Please tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, I just want to know, okay, you just use the brown sugar for the decoration, and what about inside the cake material? In the
You
cake,
have
you
that
put-
condensed milk. No, in that condensed milk itself, you have that required sugar.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay. That's why you use the condensed milk.
Yes. That is
Yes.
right.
Can I ask
ठीक है.
one more
Yes, ma'am.
question, ma'am?
Yeah, Bala Bigas.
Okay.
Ma'am, shall I decorate for smiley faces or not?
That is all up to you. Decorations, extra fittings, you can do whatever you
Now
want.
one doubt is
And
there
you
for me.
people are so good in creativity. I should learn from you.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
I have
Imad, tell me, Imad.
ma'am, that pineapple we can do a small size or big size for pineapple.
Anything, Imad, there is no hard fast rule. You can use any pineapple. You can use even pieces also. Okay, anything you can use. Don't worry about that.
If you have somebody having birthday party and all, you can make and give it to them.
You can really make it. Will come out so well. And it looks so beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, so let me go to the next cake now, because we hardly have 15 minutes around, that's all. So anyway, today's session will be little extended, so I request you all to bear with me. So because next cake is another date walnut cake, a very, very healthy cake. We will be
no
using...
problem, ma'am. You can use it. You can do it.
Thank you, Bala dear. Pineapple sharbat as liquid. Pineapple sharbat. Yeah, Arju, you can do it. But what will happen is, Arju, just check if pineapple sharbat has sugar in it. हम लोग मिल्क मेड यूज कर रहे हैं. मिल्क मेड में तो शुगर ऑलरेडी है. अगर शरबत में भी शुगर है तो ज्यादा स्वीट हो जाएगा. So just check if you have that. Otherwise, go with pineapple essence. Okay, Arju, अगर शरबत में आप चेक कर दो शुगर कंटेंट है क्या. नहीं, शुगर कंटेंट नहीं है तो आप यूज कर सकते हैं. You can use शरबत, no worries. Okay, now moving ahead with
Nannari sharbat also you can use it in the cake.
No, this is pineapple cake. Don't go to Nannari.
Vanilla essence.
Okay, good. Now moving ahead with our date walnut cake. Date walnut cake, you have quite a lot of procedures. So quickly I will tell you ingredients. You have to take dates, remove the seeds, butter 100 grams, again unsalted butter, maida or all-purpose flour 125 grams or 1 cup, measuring cup, sugar powdered sugar, okay, which is powdered sugar 125 grams, आटा चपाती का आटा है ना वो 50 ग्राम, सोडा बाइकार्ब 1 टीस्पून, बेकिंग पाउडर हाफ टीस्पून, वॉलनट 25 पीसेस. ऐसे नहीं, आप 10 पीसेस भी डाल सकते हैं, 50 पीसेस भी डाल सकते हैं, आपका इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. ओके, बट छोटा छोटा पीसेस, यू हैव टू ब्रेक इट इनटू स्मॉल पीसेस. देन मिल्क हाफ कप, एप्पल, any one apple, any size. No, don't worry about the size of apple. 1 red apple, okay, not green apple. 1 red apple, boil it. First remove the skin, boil it nicely, cut and boil, and then mash it nicely. See, 1 red apple, remove the skin, cut it into pieces, take out the seeds all, okay? Boil it nicely, then mash it. So all that we will be seeing it in the video. Okay, and what else here I have to tell? Here you can see soda bicarb मैं 1 टीस्पून यूज कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि वो पाइनएप्पल अपसाइड डाउन में हम लोग लिक्विड सोडा यूज कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए मैं सोडा बाइकार्ब को कम कर दिया. इधर 1 टीस्पून. ओके, जस्ट गो विद द रेसिपी. प्रोसीजर पहला, सो डेट, फर्स्ट थिंग प्लीज रिमेंबर मेजरमेंट सेम टाइप. ओके, गो विद द सेम मेजरमेंट. मेजरिंग स्केल के आप मेजरिंग स्केल यूज कर दीजिए. दिस इज वन. सेकेंड थिंग, सब रूम टेम्परेचर में, फ्रिज से डायरेक्ट यूज मत करना. ओके, एवरीथिंग इन रूम टेम्परेचर. ओके, these two please take care. Okay, now soak the dates. 15 to 17 dates भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. Okay, remove the seeds, soak it in the milk for minimum 3 hours. Okay, minimum 3 to 4 hours you soak it in the milk, and after that you have to grind, remove the extra milk. Okay, remove the extra milk, grind the dates to a small paste, to a paste. Okay, to a fine paste, you just grind it. Then sieve, maida, atta, baking powder, our dry ingredients. मैं तो इधर बेकिंग सोडा सीविंग के साथ नहीं आएगा, इधर बेकिंग सोडा अलग से आएगा. It will go with the liquid ingredient. See now baking soda को, sorry spelling mistake है soda. So baking soda, put it in a little milk. Okay, just a quarter cup of milk and keep it aside. Don't use hot milk. Sada milk, just quarter cup milk, 1 teaspoon soda, put it in a cup, keep it aside. Soda, 5 minutes. Okay, just keep it aside. Then in a bowl, take all the liquid ingredients now. Okay, add butter. Butter is our liquid ingredient. Mashed apple is our liquid ingredient, and nicely beat it together. Here, mashed apple comes as an egg for you. Like how you use egg in egg cakes, how what egg does, the same thing mashed apple does here. Okay, so butter, sugar, mashed apple, beat nicely. Okay, then our dry ingredients are there. No, take it, that maida, atta, baking powder we sieve and kept. Take it and mix it nicely. Okay, then add date paste. Okay, then we have to add soda milk. Okay, after adding soda milk, don't beat. Okay, don't beat too much. The moment you are going to beat, that soda effect will go, the cake will not rise. Be very careful. The moment you add soda, don't beat at all. Just little bit, the mixing, that's all. Okay, and then add that milk extra if you want, because you would have kept वो dates का milk भी अलग से रखा ना, आप वो milk भी use कर सकते हैं. क्या के लिए? Consistency के लिए. Consistency कैसे रहना है? वो डोसा आटा के तरफ consistency आना है. Okay, so just ensure that gets the consistency. That's all. Last में walnut pieces. Walnut pieces a katori. Okay, 1 cup you can add. I add lots because my husband likes that so much, so I add a lot. Okay, now preheat oven for 10 minutes, then keep it here. ये हमारा pineapple cake जैसा नहीं. Okay, 10 मिनट के बाद आप अंदर रखेंगे तो भी चलेगा, लेकिन pineapple cake तुरंत रखना पड़ेगा. ये you can preheat after you make. You can preheat for 10 minutes, then you can keep. That's all. Okay, grease the baking dish, put the mixture and bake for almost 35 minutes. You have to bake for at the same temperature, 180 degrees. Then pineapple cake अब तुरंत 2-3 मिनट के बाद आप उल्टा करना है, लेकिन ये नहीं. You have to let it go completely. Allow it to cool, then you can remove it. Okay. In fact, I did it yesterday night. I left it, and only today morning I removed it from the tray. Okay, if you remove it immediately, it will break. It everything will go. The shape will not be there. So that's all. Here goes our video. So date, walnut. So the ingredients I'm taking. So I need dates. I need walnut. Of course, my butter. Atta or all-purpose flour, anything you can take. Sugar, powdered sugar it should be. Chapati ka atta, 50 gram. My baking powder and baking soda. Walnut to be broken into pieces. Milk, don't use boiled milk, direct milk. Apple. So now I'm going to remove the seeds and I soak it in the milk. So you can see I've already soaked it. Keep it for 3 to 4 hours, it will become soft. Seeds, cut it, boil and mash and keep aside. Now sugar, 125 grams you have to take. So sugar, I'm going to powder it. So powdered sugar. So this I'm keeping it separately. Now the dates, I'm going to grind it, make it as a paste. That leaf you can use it later. So I'm going to make it as a paste. चटनी जैसा आना है बस, ओके? चटनी कंसिस्टेंसी आना है. ये एप्पल which is boiled, mash it. ये भी चटनी. So ये dates का चटनी, powdered sugar, walnut pieces, all I've kept separately. Now I'm going to work with my dry ingredients. क्या क्या dry ingredients है? Okay. Before that, वो soda है ना? 1 teaspoon soda with 1/4 cup of milk. One teaspoon soda. Put it inside 1/4 cup of milk. Just mix it lightly. Keep it aside. So that all that liquid, keep it separately over. Now I'm going to take 50 grams of atta. One second. This is maida. Maida is 125 grams. Okay. So 125 grams of maida. 50 grams of atta. Have a measuring scale, that is always better. And then half a teaspoon baking powder. So have these measuring spoons also. Half a teaspoon baking powder. Now I sieve these. Sieve it nicely. So this is my dry ingredient. Now I'm going to keep this separately. Okay. Now I'll be working with my liquid ingredients. क्या क्या है liquid ingredient? Butter, sugar, and mashed apple. So butter, how much? 100 grams of my butter. That sugar which we have already powdered. $125 grams of sugar, and this is my 1 apple which is mashed. That's it. Now beat it nicely. First mix it, otherwise the sugar powder will start flying.
Weighing, but and then milk you are pouring, no? That time I lost it.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, now let us continue. Okay. Here only, no Balambika? Okay. So these are my dry ingredients. Okay. So I have mixed my dry ingredients and I'm going to keep it separately. Now I'll be using my liquid ingredients. What are my liquid ingredients? Butter, sugar, mashed apples. Okay, butter, sugar, mashed apple. So butter, how much? 100 grams. So please use measuring scale, which will be very easy. Sugar, 125 grams. Already we have measured. And now mashed apple. 1 apple is there with us. So that also I put. Now start beating. Before you beat, since powdered sugar is very fine, first give a gentle mix. Otherwise, it will fly off. Then your measurement will go wrong. So give a gentle mix then use the beater. So beat nicely. It has to become very fluffy. The butter has to get mixed nicely with the apple. So I hope you can see it is getting mixed very nicely. So done. So this is the consistency. It has to get mixed nicely. Now what? This atta, maida, baking powder I had mixed. No, that powder I'm going to put it inside this. It is always हमारा ड्राई पाउडर, वो ड्राई पाउडर जो है ना वो लिक्विड के अंदर आएगा. वो तो बेकिंग का रूल है. So I have mixed the dry powder with the liquid. उसके बाद डेट पेस्ट जो हम लोग पेस्ट बनाया ना, डेट चटनी, वो डालना है. So mix nicely now. साइड्स में जो है थोड़ा पूरा साफ करके यूज स्पैचुला. स्पैचुला आप यूज करेगा तो अच्छा है. यूज स्पैचुला. सो ना अभी कंसिस्टेंसी आप क्या करना है, और एक चीज डालना है, सोडा मिल्क. हाँ, सो सोडा मिल्क आप डालने के बाद ज्यादा बीटिंग नहीं. अगेन मेक इट वेरी क्लियर, मार्क दिस पॉइंट्स. सोडा आप डालने के बाद बीटिंग नहीं मत करना है. मिक्सिंग कर सकते हैं, बीटिंग नहीं. That's all. Very light beating. Finished. Over. So that's all. अभी कंसिस्टेंसी कैसे रहना, डोसा आटा की तरफ कंसिस्टेंसी रहना है. अगर आपका कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ा हार्ड हो गया तो वो दूध रखा ना डेट्स के साथ, वो दूध आप डाल सकते. ओके, नाउ ग्रीस द योर बेकिंग डिश विथ घी के साथ ग्रीस करना है. डोंट यूज बटर. क्या डिफरेंस है बटर और घी? घी already cooked है. So butter means it will start cooking. So that will spoil your cake. So now my batter is ready. Add walnuts. Walnuts एक कटोरी डाल सकते हैं. उसमें तो प्रपोर्शन नहीं है, कितना भी डालना तो आप डाल सकते हैं. Mix it nicely. Put it in the baking tray. But I'll take your questions after. Okay. So give a gentle tap. My baking tray is big. ये थोड़ा बड़ा है. Okay. So now what has happened is preheat oven for 10 minutes. Okay. I already did pineapple cake. Just before this, I did my pineapple cake. My oven is already hot. Okay. So I could put it directly. नहीं है तो आप 10 मिनट preheat करना है. Okay. Preheat oven 10 minutes. Minimum 10 minutes. 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. $35 minutes, 180 degree temperature. आप 30 मिनट्स के बाद आके देख सकते हो गया क्या नहीं. आप 30 मिनट्स के बाद, नहीं तो 25 मिनट्स के बाद. उसके पहले आप बिल्कुल नहीं. So now you can see it's done. चेक अगेन, चेक एकदम क्लीन आना पड़ेगा आपका. वो रॉड जो यूज कर रहे चेक करने के लिए क्लीन आना पड़ेगा. बस ये तो हो गया. cake is done, but pineapple जैसा उल्टा अभी नहीं कर सकते, पूरा एकदम cool होना पड़ेगा. This I took it only today morning. Okay, yesterday night I did that cake. वो cake तो कल रात किया, आज सुबह ये डेकोरेशन किया, आज सुबह मैं इसको ट्रांसफर किया दूसरा ट्रे. Okay. So, okay, before I take up the questions, थोड़ा नया लोग आया आज. Okay, some new people have come, so you can request for the recording. So for already those who are there in the mailing list, I'll be sending the recordings. So for new people, just send me a request to prakramika@gmail.com. I will send the recordings, presentation, the the Word document, procedures, everything I will send you. You can also follow me on the YouTube, Prakramika Institute YouTube channel. All our work we posted there. So,
Ma'am.
Yes, now doubt session.
Ma'am, Akshaya did it. No, Akshaya.
Yeah, she did.
That video. That
yeah, I will be sending it. Okay, along
video.
with it.
Video is not working.
My video is not working.
Open that.
Ma'am, I saw cake, ma'am.
Okay, I'll do one thing, Balambika. I'll upload it in the YouTube also, and I will send the YouTube link. Okay, that will be better. I sent the drive link. I'll upload in the YouTube, and I will send the YouTube link. That will be better.
Having a doubt, shall I ask?
Yeah, you please ask me. What doubt you have?
Walnut cake. You have to put in that walnut. How many walnuts you have to put?
10 to 15, 20, 1 katori. No, that has nothing.
Walnut means the badam type should be the akrut type.
Akrut. Yeah, akrut.
Doubt.
Yes, Imad. Ask Imad.
Walnut, can we make simple dates cake? Ma'am, instead of walnut cake, date walnut cake, can we make simple dates cake? No.
Yeah. You perfect, Imad. Suppose you don't have walnut, you can skip that. No problem. It will become date cake. That's all.
Ma'am, I'm asking that.
Simple.
Yeah, simple date cake. It will become perfectly fine. Yes.
Ma'am,
Okay.
For sugar patient, what can I do for them?
Don't give cake only.
Sugarless
Don't give cake. Don't give chocolate. Because see, why I'm telling is maida very bad for health. Sugar bad for health. Butter bad for health. Whatever.
Sugarless we can make.
That will not look good. That will not taste properly, Bala. What, Imad?
Ma'am, instead of maida, we can use wheat. Wheat.
Here, in fact, we have reduced maida and we have added 50 grams wheat. Imad, when you say cake, no, you have to stick on to the recipe. You have to stick on to the procedures. See, certain things you can omit.
Okay.
Like you can, you can omit this brown sugar in pineapple, or you can omit this walnut. But most of the ingredients, it is better you don't omit and you stick on to the measurement and the procedure.
Ma'am, Gayatri ji, I have few doubts about the cookies. Can I ask you, or shall I post it on the WhatsApp?
If you can share it in the WhatsApp, I'll ask Akshaya to talk to you, because seriously, I have no idea about cookies.
Okay. I have some doubts on I'll post on the WhatsApp.
Yes, ma'am. Please do share it in the WhatsApp. I'll ask Akshaya to reply to you, and she was so happy seeing Runjan's cookies. She was really happy.
Very well, very tasty, yummy. My son is asking to make more chocolates.
Oh, nice. Very nice.
He's saying, Runjan, I'll give you a bike ride, make more chocolate for me.
So cute, so cute. Imad, I'll come back to you 1 second. Imad, I'll come.
That's it, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Please do share it, and definitely Akshaya will address that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yes, Imad, you had some doubt.
Ma'am, I saw your cake. You make so nice that cake.
You also make it will come out exactly the same. Follow the
My
procedure.
favorite-
Follow.
Yes, ma'am.
Favorite
Okay.
cake, pineapple and walnut.
Thank you, Bala. Any other doubt from anyone? Because I had to log out and came back, I might have missed my chats. So let me know if you have any doubts. Even otherwise, you can ask me anytime. I'm sharing my WhatsApp number here.
I am having a doubt. I ask. I have a number. I ask.
So anytime, feel free to ask. If you have any challenges when you're making, please feel free to ask.
Ma'am, instead of baking, you can use vanilla essence in that vanilla essence.
Imad, I told you go with the recipe.
Oh.
Any baking
Ma'am.
recipe, whoever gives you, go with the recipe.
Ma'am, I don't have beater. We can use that matta for the beating cake.
You have to really beat it. Matka, I have used Bala. I have done that before. But you know, to get that bubbles, you have to, you know, really beat it nicely. My hands used to pain. Long back when I was in school days, like you in college days, I've used that. But
you have to use the latter to mix it.
Excuse me, Gayatri ma'am.
Get the beater, Bala. Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, basically, like before me, one ma'am said na ki about cookies. So, if possible, that ma'am can share the cookies, the recipes, and all that. Sometimes I made it, but not it becomes perfectly.
Sure, ma'am. It is not ma'am. It's my daughter only. My daughter only took that. Definitely. You just send me a message in that to my mail ID. I'm just typing my mail ID.
Okay.
prakramika@gmail.com. So just send me a mail. I will send all the recordings to you.
Yes, ma'am.
And if you have any doubt, my WhatsApp number you can contact. Cookies, my daughter only knows. I have no idea.
Because I made it, but it does not become a perfect.
She will guide you, ma'am. Next Sunday, there might be a class on eggless donuts. Anyway, I will confirm it.
Yes.
So next Sunday we may
eggless.
have...
I want eggless cookies.
Eggless donuts by my daughter only because I have no idea. I'll just check with the classes and I will confirm this.
When when will you get a certificate?
One more request, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tell me, ma'am.
Ma'am, we want to, maybe you did not do the activity, make a matri making, namkeen.
Which one, ma'am?
Methi matti.
वो क्या है?
नमकीन मठियाँ.
वो मालूम नहीं हमको.
मैम जो नमकीन छोटी छोटी मठियाँ नहीं होती हैं, नमकीन नमकीन मट्ठी. It's a deep fry.
Ma'am, Matri is asking, ma'am.
No. 1 second, Bala. Just hold on.
Hot cooking. It's a hot cooking deep fry मट्ठी.
हाँ, वो सागो से बनाते हैं ना, वही है ना?
नहीं मैम, मैदा और फ्लोर.
आटा मैदा.
I have no idea.
It's not very common in South India. It's mostly north and all.
Oh,
yes,
okay.
yes.
That's why.
I have no idea. Maybe if someone knows.
I know. You won't have.
Okay. Fine. It's okay. Because now we are starting this one in the school. That's why I just want to see exactly.
Okay.
Now in this pandemic time, only teachers are there. We are trying new different
Ma'am,
vocations. That's why.
Please do visit my YouTube channel because whatever vocations we have taught for around 20 vocations, I have posted it in my YouTube.
Oh. Okay,
so, YouTube channel, ma'am. Prakramika Institute.
Yes, ma'am.
Because whatever we do, I keep posting there. Anything new, I'll be posting.
Ma'am, you mentioned the doop making activity also in that YouTube.
Which activity?
Agarbatti.
Dhoop also is
Agarbatti.
there. Yes, it's there.
Yes, because in our school we tried, but it does not become perfect.
Okay, okay. It is there,
Immediately.
ma'am. You just
Okay.
check my YouTube. Everything around 20 occasions I have posted in that.
Okay, okay, I will see. I will see, definitely. Definitely, I will see. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. I hope I could answer all your questions. So
Yeah.
now I'll be waiting to see all your cakes.
Ma'am, when should I get it? Certificate?
Certificate, I'll tell you, Kana, I'm also waiting. Pandemic is there, no? So BSS is getting delayed. So I'm also waiting. Once we get, we can start off with the next classes also. I'm also waiting eagerly. Let's see. Okay, the moment
Ma'am,
I
one
get
more
We will get it convocation also. We will enjoy and
Excuse
finish.
me. Ma'am, one more question.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, what about the last date for that course which is conducting sign language?
Sign
Uski
language,
last-
it is, you will have to contact Sitanshu sir.
Okay, because that is last date maybe exactly because I did not deposit the fees now. That's why I am asking.
You need to ask Sitanshu sir. He is only doing it.
Okay, okay, okay. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. So if no doubt, I think which digit you have to remove? Anita ma'am, this is Muscat number. 00968 is a Muscat code and my phone number is 901226666. So actually this is a Muscat number. So that is why the digit is more. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. I think,
ma'am.
Yeah, Kush, tell me.
Gayatri ma'am, I have sign language. I want to do sign language.
You want to do sign language? Okay. Pratima ji, you can contact Sitanshu sir. He is arranging for that.
Okay, okay.
Ma'am.
Yeah, Kush.
Ma'am, I want to tell something because I like cheesecake.
You like cheesecake. Cheesecake.
Yeah.
Okay. I will
What
see.
What is this recipe in the cheesecake?
Cheesecake. Let me check and tell you, Kush. Okay. Let me check with the cheesecake recipe and I'll get back to you for sure.
Yes. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Kush.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. So thank you all so much for joining me in this session today. It was really wonderful and thanks for all your lovely questions because those questions are very important for us to understand better also. So thank you for asking.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
I will let you all know if we are having our donut session next Sunday. I'll keep you posted and I will share the recipes and recordings by today or tomorrow.
Thank you, ma'am.
So thank you all so much. Waiting to see your
Bye,
work
ma'am.
now.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye everyone. Take care and stay
Bye.
safe. All of you, please stay safe.
I'll get in touch with you after my daughter's exams.
Sure, ma'am. Anytime. Most welcome. Anytime.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Sheelu ma'am, nice to see you on Lenovo.
Yeah, after a long time.
I know.
Thank you, ma'am.
I'll call you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank
sure,
you,
take care.
dear. Thank you so much. Bye all.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
बैटरी खत्म हो गया